The DJI Air series has masterfully positioned itself as the ideal middle ground between the company's budget-friendly mini line and the feature-packed Mavic series. With the release of the Air 3 in July 2023, DJI made a bold move by opting for a smaller 1x1.3-inch sensor instead of the expected 1-inch MOS sensor found in the Air 2S. Initially, this decision raised some eyebrows among drone enthusiasts. However, the Air 3 quickly quelled any concerns with its remarkable camera performance and impressive image quality. Now, the spotlight is on the upcoming Air 3S. Enthusiasts and professionals are eagerly anticipating the next iteration, with hopes running high for a dual 1-inch sensor setup. Such an upgrade could significantly enhance the drone's camera capabilities, potentially setting new standards for image quality and low-light performance. One of the most talked about aspects of the Air 3S is its potential camera enhancements. Many in the drone community are hoping for a return to the larger 1-inch MOS sensor size, or even a groundbreaking dual camera system. This would not only improve image quality, but also offer greater versatility and superior performance in low-light conditions. Additionally, some industry insiders speculate that DJI might incorporate the latest image processing technology from its flagship Mavic 4 series. This could enable advanced features like 8K video recording and significantly improved low-light capabilities, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in mid-range drones. Battery life and flight time are crucial aspects for any drone enthusiast. The Air 3 already offers respectable flight times of around 30 minutes. However, advancements in battery technology and efficiency could push the Air 3S to new heights, with rumors suggesting flight times approaching or even exceeding 40 minutes on a single charge. This improvement would be a significant leap forward, providing users with more time in the air to capture stunning footage. Beyond the camera and battery, several other features are expected to see improvements. Enhanced obstacle avoidance sensors, advanced subject tracking capabilities, and extended transmission ranges are among the most anticipated upgrades. Improved obstacle avoidance would provide a safer flying experience, while advanced subject tracking and extended transmission ranges would offer greater control and flexibility, especially for professional users. Some credible insiders also suggest that DJI may introduce advanced return-to-home functions and intelligent flight modes, further enhancing the drone's autonomy and usability. Based on DJI's typical product cycles and historical patterns, it's reasonable to expect the Air 3S to make its debut around July 2024, approximately 1 year after the Air 3's release. This timeline would strategically position the Air 3S launch between the recently released DJI Mini 4 Pro, which boasts improved flight time and obstacle avoidance capabilities, and the highly anticipated flagship Mavic 4, rumored to feature a groundbreaking full-frame sensor and advanced AI tracking capabilities, expected in Q4 2024. As we inch closer to the anticipated July 2024 release date, more concrete details, leaks, and speculations about the DJI Air 3S are sure to emerge. The excitement and anticipation surrounding this highly anticipated drone are palpable. Until then, enthusiasts and professionals will have to content themselves with wishful thinking, educated guesses, and sharing their expectations about what the future holds for the DJI Air lineup and the ever-evolving world of consumer drone technology. So, what are your thoughts and predictions for the DJI Air 3S? Share your insights in the comments below. We'd love to hear your input on this exciting development. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates.